Hello everybody, my name is BDFO18 and welcome back to the LEGO Technic building series. Today, product 42164 Technic Off-Road Race Buggy, the second of 5 January 1st, 2024 releases. And this is a cool looking dude. So, build number 2 of 5 for LEGO Technic 2024, January 1st. This lovely little off-road race buggy, it's a cool looking machine with some stickers as well, unlike last week's heavy duty bulldozer. It's cost me £13 from my local Argos, coming in at 219 pieces over 86 steps. To divide 219 by 86 and you get roughly 2.5 pieces on average per section for this build. Looking around the box, we have an image of the front of the vehicle with it's on a dirt track. It's an off-road race buggy. On the side we have some legal stuff. On this side we have a side view with the product code and Technic logo. On the bottom we have legal stuff. On the top a barcode which is covering the one-to-one of the wheel, unfortunately, and on the back a rear view of our buggy with active suspension. Looking forward to building this. Let's get the box open, get to the contents and get to the build. Here's everything for product 42164 LEGO Technic's off-road race buggy, including 2 bags labelled 1, 2 bags labelled 2, 2 skinny and 2 fat tyres, a sticker sheet with 11 numbered stickers, and both our instruction sheets. 1. Okay, end of bag 1 for the off-road race buggy, and this is a fantastic build. It's got a working V4 engine. This is so detailed for a 219 piece set and for £13. It doesn't look like much right now, but like where it's got working suspension. Look, it pushes up and down, it goes to the side. Oh my god. Like this is very, very, very good. Look, it clicks up and down. Man, this is really good. For the price, this is fantastic. 6 spares in the first bag, mostly connectors and a couple of the locking nuts. So that's bag 1 done. Let's get on to bag number 2. Here we go, is the full and complete build for LEGO product 42164, the Technic off-road race buggy, and I absolutely love this. This has really set the benchmark for the Technics for this year already, and I'm going to explain why. A working V4 engine which moves as you drive, working suspension on the rear, and look at this, it properly turns as well. Look at this, you can turn it without even using a cog, it does that. How freaking cool is this? £13 and you get something so complex, so radical like this. This is a future classic in my opinion. I absolutely love these neon green, there's like high vis color parts. A really easy build, took about 30 minutes to build in total. This is so cool. And this is, I'm gonna say it, this is one of my favorite Technics ever. My absolute favorites. I love this. I fell in love with this from like the first 20 steps in the working V4. Just the way that this thing goes together. The suspension is so freaking cool. It might seem simple in theory, but in execution it's so cool. It's got a working little bit of crank there. Sorry, I wasn't actually showing the camera properly. There's so much to love about this set. And again, only £13. You cannot go wrong here. Buy this right now while you can before the price flies up. It'll be a couple of years time before the price flies up. This thing is going to be a gem in the future. 2 more spares for this bag. It's going to 8 spares in total. This is 211 pieces of the 219 allotted on this vehicle. So use the other 8 to modify your off-road race buggy as you please. As always, leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Would you buy and or build the set? Or is it not really your cup of tea? If it's not, I'm going to say what the hell is wrong with you, because this is an absolutely fantastic set at such a cheap price. You get so much for your money in this set, and I would 110% recommend it. If this is the benchmark for the other sets, let's go. I am ready. With that said, I've been BDFO18. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next build. Take care.